Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to scan for viruses and how to remove them without having an antivirus. So I don't have an antivirus. So currently what we want to do here is go to settings. Then from here, just quickly go to Windows security settings. So usually this will work, of course, if you're using Windows. Now here we have protection areas. We have virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall, and network protection. So we also have device security. So what we want to do here as much as possible is we want to go to virus and threat protection. Then here, Microsoft Defender options. So you can toggle on the periodic scanning so that it will automatically check your computer from time to time if there are any virus or threats. Now, this is very helpful, especially if you're not the type of person who regularly checks for viruses. Now, afterwards, you can also do a quick scan right here for any virus threats. So it's currently scanning. And then virus and threat protection settings. If there is a virus, then there will be an action item here on what you need to do. But currently, since we don't have any virus, then that's okay. Then we can also do ransomware protection. So you can click on manage on that. So as you can see here, controlled folder access, you can protect your folders from viruses as well by toggling this on, but it requires turning on real-time protection. So we're not going to touch that for now. We're just going to focus on virus and threats. So currently, there is no need for any action item here because well our computer doesn't currently have any virus on it, so yeah, and that's basically it. As much as possible, if you do not have an antivirus, it's best to utilize Windows security. That's why it's there to protect your computer. Sure, it's not as updated as other virus protection applications, but definitely it does the trick if you want to keep your device protected from virus and threats. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.